Hey, how's it going? It's Vince with Rooted Lawn Co. Hope your day is going great. Today's episode we're doing Rainbird 5000. We have a 5004 irrigation head. It is a 6-inch head. What I'm going to show you is how to change the nozzle. They come in 1 gallon, 2 gallon, and so on. I think up to about an 8-gallon nozzle. There are adjustments that adjust how far you want. You can do up to 360, 180, whatever degree you want to spray at. Also, there is an adjustment for the screw set to either have a large stream or more of a finer mist. So I will go through the assembly and the adjustments of the Rainbird 5004 head. So again, here we have a Rainbird 5000 head. To adjust, you have 3 different slots here. This is your screw set. This is to be able to pull the head up, and this is to control your angle of spray. So if we lift that up, you can see that I have the number 2 gallon per minute nozzle right here. There's your set screw. So you will want to loosen that up. To be able to get this out. Use your tool that it comes with and simply pull that out. As mentioned before, Rainbird comes with several different nozzles. I have a 1.5, I have a 2.5, I have a 2.0, I have a 4, I have a 5, and it goes all the way up to an 8. I'm going to put the 2 back in. And then tighten down the set screw. And that's how you adjust what flow, gallon per minute nozzle you want to use. Now, as you see, this is stopped. And it does about a 180 right now. So say we want to do about a 45, there's a plus and minus symbol. You put your tool in there and you go towards the minus symbol, so less. So I'm stopped here and I stop there. And you can continue just to add plus or minus to adjust how far you want to go. Say you want a finer mist. Again, put your tool in, turn it, and lift up. There's your set screw. If you want a finer mist, you tighten your set screw as far as it goes. And you can see that the water would hit that set screw, causing it to be a finer mist. Likewise, if I want more of a stream, simply loosen the set screw and the water will not hit that, and you'll have a thicker stream then. Installation is easy. This is a 3/4 inch female adapter. So for hookups, make sure you have the right size, and then put some Teflon tape in here, and you'll be good to go. So that's the overview of the Rainbird 5004 head. If you have any questions with it, feel free to message me or comment below. I love these heads. I've been using them for over a year now, and they shoot anywhere from 25 to 50 feet depending on your pressure and depending on your nozzle. So that's the Rainbird irrigation head. I'm very happy with it. I haven't tried other products. Comment below what irrigation head you like to use. Hope this video was helpful. I know when I first got these, I YouTubed one of these videos and made using these heads very, very simple. So comment below, let me know what heads you use. A link below that takes you to a manufacturer. It is a wholesaler, and a lot of them are discounted products. So go ahead and check that site out. It has hundreds of different irrigation heads, products, you name it, they probably have it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.